Every journey begins with an idea, a dream, a destination waiting to be felt. Today, we present a brand that reveals the extraordinary through unforgettable memories. Galaxy Expeditions. It leads not only to destinations, but to emotions that are remembered forever. It connects with the essence of Latin America. Let's discover together the extraordinary. Feel Latin America inside of you.